Yo, what's up everybody? Today is Sunday, so it's time for Sunday morning video. We are in Canggu again. We're going to La Brisa for the Sunday market. Also, a lot of things changed around. It's been a while when we were filming in La Brisa, so hope so you will enjoy.
So we just arrived in Canggu. I know it's Canggu again, and market is Sunday. And look behind me, this is a brand new one, and you see it's just like a pack of people everywhere. People. This is why it's Canggu famous, because of everything is close by: restaurant, nice bar, and market. All right, for those ladies who really like shopping, probably this is the place for you. It's not only for the young people, but look at this. See, there are so many products that really suits to your style. It's not just like old school stuff here, but there are so many brand new things. Even that this is like a souvenir shop or something, but it's just simply interesting.
As you can see, I mean, you're not gonna find anywhere elsewhere at 10 o'clock in the morning crowds like this one. Come on guys, be honest with yourself and with me. Only here you can find, like, even Ubud not gonna be that busy like this one. So it's time for us to get to legendary La Brisa. Also local Indonesian people coming here, not only international, as you can see here. So yeah, this is it. That was the market just next door, and we are getting inside the La Brisa. Okay, so let's go. So that's the little alley. Normally you can park, but not today inside. They have a limited space. This is like 5 years old beach club, but they have markets and many other things inside. And here you go. This is the La Brisa entrance, and there is the market on Sunday. You can find a lot of stuff, and overall it's very tropical vibe here everywhere around. This is just the entrance, and more deep inside over there is the club itself. We're gonna have a coffee and everything. I'm gonna show you first what's going on here. Definitely a little bit different stuff you can find here than in the art markets in Kuta or in Ubud even, perhaps. I could say something totally different and very busy. And I even have a food here. Hold on. So busy.
Much busier than Ubud market. Wow.
Yeah,
and all of them young people, majority.
Yeah, we have a staff like this one. That's the New Zealand pie or something. Check this out, actually, like this one. The crowds, unbelievable. A lot of young community here as well, young crowd. So that's the even food market here. Wow, just unbelievable. Check this out, what's going on. Sayang, I'm speechless somehow. I don't know what to say actually.
This is what Canggu offers you see?
Unbelievable, isn't it? And all it surrounds with the nice tropical vibes, basically.
If you're curious about the pricing, look, like this one earrings cost you one pair only 100K, but if you pick 150, but
fixed
look at
price.
this one. Yeah, you didn't need to haggle about asking, bargaining about the price, but look at the collection. So many cute things, you see, on the left, on the right side. It's just like a pack of people. You see? Wow. Wow. Wow, this is it. This is the crowd. Amazing. So all the tourists on the Sunday where they are going, just coming here. So I'll take you again to stroll around. Well, it's not that hot in here because a big fan again, and if you are thirsty, there are people selling food, drink, coconut like this, and you see that so many nice things here. Wow! You can find any kind of the food, any kind of the beverages. Wow, vegan, non-vegan. So yeah.
Here we go. This is the part of organic here. The tomatoes actually looking good, to be honest. The juices, everything is nice, tidy, clean and neat. Check this out. You have food options, drink options. You can enjoy some homemade stuff, like a jams. I don't know actually what so many stuff there. Trying to get closer, but it's so busy. Just wanted to tell you the amount of people is unbelievable everywhere here. But I'll show you. Here we go. Some sort of peanuts, nuts, other stuff, spices, nuts, honey, croissants, pastries, a lot of things. It's going on actually, and then the little bit of the modern vibe, the music, and eventually we end La Brisa in the beach club, in the garden, the juices, the guys selling, actually interesting, to be honest, and then some stuff here for food, authentic Indonesian food also if you would like to, and that's the overall vibe around. Very different than anything else I showed you recently. Actually, totally different vibe, isn't it? They also have a stuff here with the ceramics. Also looks actually pretty decent. Some oils, some other stuff.
So one thing that I see, this is pack of people like this just because it's totally different from the Ubud traditional market.
Totally
See, they sell
different.
so many things. Modern, it's not only traditional things but modern. Look.
You can do something with your teeth here. Some kind of oils, stuff like this. Little babies as well. A lot of people in general. I'm gonna show you the camera a little bit up, just to show you how busy it is. We are getting more closer to the beach club itself actually, and the market is actually so busy everywhere, so people and everywhere stars. It's actually very hard even to focus which one I want to show you. Recently focusing on filming the crowds, because that's just unbelievable. But different vibe, totally different vibe. This one is very tropical vibe, by the way, like you are walking inside the jungle or something. Coconut trees, totally different actually. This one is really cool. I could say one of my favorite as the first impression, to be honest. That's the beach club there at the front. We are planning to go there, but I just wanted to show you this is all here, all the people who are waiting here, that's the queue. So many people are just interested to get inside. This is just unbelievable, as you can see. I don't know even when the queue actually is starting. It's long. Sayang, I'm just thinking, how come we never come here for the market? We only to the club, yeah, at night?
Because we only focus on other side of Canggu, but Canggu seems enjoyable, right?
Yeah, actually very enjoyable. That's the kitchen and bar belongs to the La Brisa Beach Club. Normally you can go to the bar just, but afternoon, at morning, we wanted to have a coffee in general and show you a little bit the place, but due to the queue, I don't think so. But the place is definitely worth to visit if you have a time to wait. Okay, let's go. Sayang, are we waiting in the queue or not? What's
Oh my God! Everywhere is queue in Canggu, not in the crate, not in the Copenhagen, not here. Here is, I think, the longest queue.
The
You
biggest
see?
crowd, huh?
The biggest one. Ooh la
Okay,
la.
let's see what else we can make. I just want to show you 360 degree. What's the vibe? Very tropical vibe in general. And very busy, very busy.
So I think that let's go somewhere else. Maybe
Pererenan.
Pererenan. Let's have
Okay,
a coffee
let's go
there.
Pererenan.
Look, the queuing.
Last
Look.
shot. But this is phenomenal, definitely something totally different. We decided to get out, to going to some coffee shop, but check this out. What's going on here? This is just unbelievable. To compare to my some other videos where it's nobody doing anything at morning, and this one, it's just unbelievable. It's like, you know, speechless.
Like I told you, on the left, on the right, it's just packed of people, and most important thing is that there is a fan over there, so it's not that hot at all. You see, this is just like a shopping center, like these sunglasses, and that's, you know, that shops with the clothes. It's not only the bintang shirt, but there are so many nice, interesting products. So yeah, even that you don't bring your bikini whenever you come to Bali, there are so many nice bikini shop here, and like this one also very nice quality shirt. Yeah, many nice stuff here basically. Here it is. Honey,
That's the Ishe from
you look like Ishe.
That's how they do actually.
Oh my goodness, look at this place. Alright, so looks around. This is so packed. You see what I can say, that mostly the young people here and some also senior, but dominantly this is how it is. Wow.
There's also Como Uma Canggu, the hotel if you would like to stay around. and go, let's say, to the market and just walking distance, or maybe you like to surf because they also specialize with surfing. They are a big surfer shop. Everything is here. We changed the mind. We are not going to Pereren, and we're just gonna stay here. We're gonna have a coffee in Electric Eel. Electric Eel, or what is the name?
Electric Eel.
What sort of name is this? Coffee was nice. We were there some time ago. Sayang, where we are?
All right, so we decided just to go to the coffee shop next to the La Brisa, and we decided to have a coffee and cake. And we decided to go sit on the stop here because last time it was packed, and look, overviewing the ocean.
The first point of view of the ocean you have here, actually. Really, really cool.
And enjoying the breeze. So nice. So we come back again. So that's basically there are lots of surfers there, and this is the car park. And I'll show you around the place. Basically, this is the situation in the rooftop. So cozy place. There are some people are here. Yes, again, mostly young people enjoying the time. So yeah, look, more and more people basically going to the beach, and I show you closer look the surfer over there. Wow, this is it. How is Canggu Eco Beach actually? Pack of people in the morning.
Also, as you can see now, I have a good view of the parking area. There are buses coming with the, well, Asian people. Not sure if they're Indonesian or not, but they are Asian people. So it's not only for the white-looking people from Europe, if somebody will say like that. However, that's the vibe. It's quite busy at the morning. Also, you have a nice view of the waves here if you're a surfer. You can also enjoy just sitting here, of course, or from La Brisa, which is over there, but it's too busy for us. And overall, very enjoyable place. What do you think at the end?
You must be here whenever you come to Canggu. I know that previously some of negative comments regarding to the traffics, but this is what Canggu offers.
And actually, when we coming from Tabanan, passing Peranakan, there is no traffic. Traffic starts in Seminyak actually, right?
Kasih kakak. So yeah, I think that's all our video today. See, people keep coming and coming. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.